Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, what is your name
My name is Luis.
and how old are you, Louis?
I'm 12.
Okay, we're going to begin now with our speaking test. Okay, so this is your copy. So we have two pictures here. This is my copy and that's yours. So my picture is nearly the same as yours, but some things are different. For example, in my picture, the smaller drums are green, but in your picture, it's red. Okay, so let's start. In my picture, the guitars on the wall are different.
Uh, in my picture, the guitars on the wall is
Are
uh,
are they the same?
this.
The same.
Yeah.
Okay. In my picture, the teacher has got a beard.
Uh, in my picture, the man don't have a bit.
Okay. In my picture, there's a poster of a building on a wall.
In my picture, uh, the poster on the wall is the woman is singing.
Okay. In my picture, there's a laptop on the rug.
In my picture, there is a book on the
Rug.
rock.
Okay, that's great. Now let's move to the second part, Louis. Okay, we're going to have information exchange. This is your copy. So Katie and Robert are friends. Their moms have just bought cars. So I don't know anything about Katie's car, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, what color is the car?
Silver.
Silver. Okay, how old is it?
Uh, 2 years.
How many doors has it got?
3 door.
Where's the car now?
Uh, at home.
Was it cheap or expensive?
Cheap.
Okay. Now you ask me about Robert.
What color
Is the
is the robot mom's car?
okay, the color is black.
How many door is the car?
5 doors.
Uh, how old is the car?
It's 6 months.
It is cheap or expensive?
It's expensive.
Where is the car now?
The car is at the station. Okay, great. Now we are going to have the picture story. So you're going to tell me a story using these pictures. Example, the story is called The Goat and the Coconut. So Alex and Lucy want to get some coconuts. The coconut tree is very tall, so Alex is bringing a chair. Then
Then he
he climbed.
he climb on the trees. Uh, but he don't he don't take the coconuts.
Mhm.
Next, the girl is running fast to the
Mhm.
tree,
Mhm.
and the girl make the tree
Okay. Now, how many coconuts fell?
tree.
3. Okay. Now, what happened next? They
They
they carry
they carrying a
the
lot of coconuts,
coconuts.
and Alex and Lucy are very happy.
Mhm.
They share the coconut to the girl, and they
Okay, they eat happily. Okay. Now, last part. Let's talk about your school. Louis, how many students are there in your class?
40.
Okay. What time does school start?
My school starts at 7 o'clock.
What subject do you like best?
I like IT.
Okay. What games do you play at school?
I play soccer with my friends.
Okay. Thank you, Louis. That's the end of our test. Goodbye.